Quality dimensions of manufacturing industry. I'm going to read them out in short and then I'm going to describe them one by one. Performance, features, reliability, conformance, durability, serviceability, aesthetics, perceived quality. Now, the first one, performance. Does the product or service do what it's supposed to do within the defined tolerance? Performance is often a source of contention between customers and suppliers, particularly when deliver deliverable requirements are not adequately defined within the specifications. The performance of a product often influences profitability or reputation of the end user. As such, many contracts or specifications include damages related to inadequate performances. Dimension 2, features. While the dimension may seem obvious, performance specifications rarely define the features required in a product. Thus, it is important that suppliers design product or services from performance specifications are familiar with its intended uses and maintain close relationships with the end users. Third dimension, reliability. Reliability may be closely related to performance. For instance, a product specification may define parameters for uptime or acceptable failure rates. Reliability is a major contributor to brand or company image and is considered a fundamental dimension of quality by most users. Dimension 4, conformance. If it's developed based on a performance specification, does it perform as specified? That's what conformance is. Number 5, durability. Durability is closely related to warranty. Requirements for product durability are often included in procurement contracts and specifications. Number 6, serviceability. As the end users become more focused on total cost of ownership than simple product procurement costs, serviceability is becoming an increasingly important dimension of quality and criteria for product selection. Dimension 7, aesthetics. The way a product looks is important to end users. The aesthetic properties of a product contribute to a company's or brand's identity. Faults or defects in a product that diminish its aesthetic properties, even those that do not reduce or alter other dimensions of quality, are often caused for rejection. Dimension 8, perception. Perception is a reality. The product or service may possess adequate or even superior dimension of quality but still fall victim to negative customer or public performance. As an example, a high quality product may get the reputation for being low quality based on the poor service by installation or field technicians. If the product is not installed or maintained properly and fails as a result, the failure is often associated with the product's quality rather than the quality of the service it receives.